Hi, Gypsy. Hi, Gypsy Blue. Me and Gypsy are on our morning walk in our morning trail in Pico Rivera, California. It's so beautiful here. Somebody once told me that she loves trees because they're strong and they have strong roots. It was somebody with a mental illness that believed in God just as much as I do. I love this trail. I love nature. I love the sky. I can hear birds singing. My mom tells me that birds singing are God's music. Look at this beautiful trail. Well, that dog sounds a little angry, but having Gypsy Blue has taken away that loneliness and made me feel happier and less suicidal while having thoughts of death, and just enjoy life, enjoy the beauty of life, because there is life after depression and it is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Life is beautiful. Amen to that.